Guys, so over there, you know. Over there.
Castle Heights.
Castle Heights. Barbican. Nice. I make a delivery. So where's shop name?
Nevita shop.
Nevita shop. People if you're in a Barbican, come and support Nevita.
Nevita shop. Grocery shop.
Nevita grocery shop.
Yes.
How you learn about the company? You see we are advertised?
I'm just saying I got try, no?
Which part you see we are advertised?
On Instagram.
Instagram, nice. What you like about service? You like that we come deliver it to you? Come fast. Me, what you talk about? You know, if you left your yard, we bring it come to you.
Because I thought I was have to come for it, but
No.
I realized.
Come on, you relax at home,
Come.
and we bring it
I
to
like
you.
your service. Though.
Nice. Thank you
Thumbs
so
up,
much.
yeah?
Well done. All right, thank you. Give another thumbs up there. All right, cool. All right, thanks. Here later, yeah. Yard abroad. You have been watching our videos. You are talking. You've been watching our videos, but you have not created a free shipping account as yet. What are you waiting for? It is free to create, and you can do it in half the time that you take to watch this video. Did you know that you can ship your items to Jamaica straight to your doorstep for like 25% what a FedEx or a DHL will cost you? Go ahead, click the link in the description box below, create your free account today. Do it! We're in the streets.